What's good, YouTube, man? Welcome back to a brand new video, man. Yo, guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing, mad stuff, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be unboxing mad stuff, and I'm really sorry about not posting for a month. You know, I've been busy with school and just life, you know what I'm saying? But I'm back now. I'm trying to stay, I'm trying to post more and stuff. A lot of videos on the way, plans and stuff like that, but just stay tuned. Just stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe and all that stuff. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Y'all don't be subscribing, man. Why do y'all be watching the videos and not subscribe? Like, subscribe. But I'm really sorry for not posting and all that stuff. And we're gonna be unboxing. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. You always watch my stuff. I'll come back. So before I unbox everything, I wanted to show you guys the before, you know what I'm saying, before I open it. I'm gonna show you guys what I got right now. So these are things I'm gonna be unboxing. 2 big boxes and 1, 2, 3, 4 little, bags and stuff. But yeah, guys. So let's get it, boy. We back. So, I got the knife. Shit. Damn. Yeah, I didn't see that. Let's see. So the first one I'm gonna be unboxed. So the first one I'm gonna show you guys is this one, just to get out the way. I'm gonna go from small to big. So we're gonna, you know what I'm saying? Just to get out the way. I think I know what's up there. Probably a memory card and shit. So, yeah, I ordered a 64 gig. That's, I'm saying that's the first one. This right here. It's a small light. I didn't know it was that small, man. Hey, we're not gonna need no big stuff, but yeah, all that good stuff in there. It's like super small. I didn't know it was gonna be that small. I would not buy it. It's a light, man. You know what I'm saying? A little small stuff. For me, I don't need no big stuff though. And the next one, what's in this? My knife. This is full PEC HD macro cool stuff filter set. You know what I'm saying? You don't see what's up. So all this stuff. Nobody read them. And this is the Pro Series HD3 PC filter. Same thing. It's supposed to be 52 mil. And this is the rest. This is the +2. It's the +10. These are the macro lamps. This is the +1 and +4. For me, I don't want to take everything out the bag because that would be mad work to put them after. But I'm just gonna put them right now. So this is that. Next, see what's in this. This is the microphone I bought. It's the Movo X something VXR 10GI. I heard it's a good microphone. I saw many reviews on it on YouTube. I heard it's a good microphone and you know have a good sound quality and stuff. So that's why I bought it. So we gonna see what's the hype all about, man. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, all that good stuff is in there. That we're not gonna. Everything is mad smooth. And I think this is to put on it to attach it to the camera. I'm gonna figure it out after, but I'm just showing you guys. And it come with a little thing to connect it, the microphone to the camera. Oh, to the camera, and this is the thing to put on the microphone to attach it to the camera. And what else? And it's bag. So that's that. All right, next. Clean up. Always clean up, man. Always clean off your stuff, man. So we done unboxing or unwrapping all the little bags and stuff. So now we're gonna move on to the big bag, to the big boxes. So I'm gonna unbox this first, and I'm gonna need the camera last. So let's open this bag. This right here, it's a bag for the camera. Small bag, I don't need no big bag. I'm not gonna carry a lot of stuff in the bag, so I bought a little bag for the camera, only for the camera, and probably a microphone and all the rest of the stuff. And this is a cleaning kit to clean the lens, the camera when it gets dirty or dusty. Microfiber cloth that comes with it, 3 of them, and this little bag. And this is supposed to be a pen. And, one of the stuff that we clean the camera with. Let me see. Little brush. Here, there's not even one in the box. And here we got 2 extra batteries, and come with a microfiber cloth. And then this is the battery. This is a charger. It's a charger. It's a charger. And then this is the battery. This is the cord to plug it in. Come on. I know I'm gonna be shooting a lot, hopefully. So I bought extra batteries and stuff. We're gonna put these babies back. So that's that for the small box, and then we're gonna move on to the big box. The big box, the camera M50. Yes, sir. Like, hey, save money, boy. I mean, and I didn't show you guys what inside, what it looks like inside the bag, so I'm about to show you guys right now. So this is what it looks like. You know what I'm saying? Camera is mad small, so camera, lens, and extra stuff. For me, I don't need no big bag, man. And this is a little bag when it's raining to wrap it around. It's pretty big, man. You just put that in there when it's raining. You just put that bad boy in there, feel me? Set. So that's the bag. Feel me? I don't know, I hope y'all ready for this. I'm ready, man. Couldn't wait to open this box. All my friends was like, yo, bro, you got the camera, you waiting to film. That's a lot of stuff playing. Just gonna have to stay tuned, man. Can't. You know what I'm saying? Can't put them out like that. You're just gonna have to stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment what videos you guys want me to do, like exercise, you know. And if you have questions, you can ask me. But this is the camera, man. Ooh, this. Baby look nice in there. Feel me, dude? Alright, bro. Let me see. Some big box. This is the camera in the lens. Nothing else is in there. Move this to the side. So, alright, so that's all that good stuff right there. So we're gonna open the lens first. We're gonna unbox the lens first. That we're not gonna read. This is the lens wrapped up. So this is the lens. This is the 15 by 45 mil. Yeah. And now. RP. We gonna unbox the baby. Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. What is this? Damn, it's heavy as fuck. I'm about to show you how to flash right now. So, yeah, I already know everything that's in that book right there. All that good stuff. See that, just rich. Now, we got this is the battery camera. See, I told you guys it's mad small, so I had to order more small ass battery. This is the charger. All that good stuff. Cord wrap thing, put on the camera and so on the cord. Make sure it's stable.
Hey, who man's is this?
trying to drop this camera, boy. Ooh. You know what I'm saying? I gotta feel it. Alright. I've been dreaming about you. So we're gonna open it. Let's open this. Let's make sure we don't drop it.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Yes, sir. So this how it looks with the lens. Zoom out. Zoom in. So yeah, guys. Well, that's that. I'm not gonna waste y'all time not showing y'all. Not gonna show y'all too much, but this is it for this video. Yeah, man. So if you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And remember to share with your auntie, your grandma, everybody in your family. And also watch my other videos. Go check them out. And subscribe and keep showing love. Appreciate all y'all for showing love and support. Really appreciate that. And we out, man. Stay tuned for more videos.